Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best budget folding electric bikes in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Sailnovo Folding Electric Bike. Since we are discussing compact options for an electric foldable bike, let us talk about one more great option designed by Sailnovo. You will find many great features on this bike along with high portability. This electric bicycle is yet another great option as far as portability is considered. But even with that, it manages to maintain a great feature set which makes a preferred choice for many users. This electric bicycle has 14 inches wheels, which makes it a very small option already. And once folded, this bike gets even more compact. It is also powered by a 450 watts motor that makes this bike go as fast as 19 miles per hour. However, the best feature of this electric bicycle has to be its battery. It has a lithium battery having 10.4 Ah capacity. And since the input requirement of the 350 watts driving motor of this bike, it offers a mileage of 45 miles, which is rarely available with other options. Even though this is a budget option, it does not compromise on the safety of the driver, and you will be getting high-quality brakes and gear shift mechanism on this bicycle. Number 2. Our second best pick is Swagtron Folding Electric Bike. It is not uncommon to see a smart variant in a product category driven by electrical power. Swagtron has also managed to design a smart electric folding bike, which is also the most portable option on this list. This is arguably the most compact option that we found today for our list. This bike is so compact that you don't even need a bike rack to carry it around. With wheels as small as 10 inches, you can fold it and carry it around in your hand with no problem. This is also a rather smart option compared to most other electric bikes, as Swagtron has also created a free-of-cost application to monitor the status of the bike. Coming to the power specifications of this one, you will get a 350 watts motor, which is pretty powerful for such a small electric bike. Thus, you will be able to ride this tiny bike at nearly 18 miles per hour without any issues. And since the power consumption is pretty low, it manages to deliver up to 15.6 miles of range. Number 3. Our third best pick is Vivi Folding Electric Bike. Moving on to standard electric bike options with the added benefit of foldable design, we have a great option from Vivi. This is also one of the budget options suitable for routine riders. This electric bike also adds up yet another budget option on our list of the best folding electric bikes. This unit is powered by a 450 watts motor, which does not seem that different from other picks. But, the motor of this bike is driven by a 36 volts battery, offering an approximate mileage of nearly 50 miles, making it a highly reliable electric bike. And even if you are in a hurry to get somewhere, you can use this electric bike since it manages to reach up to 20 miles per hour maximum speed. Apart from the specifications, this electric bike also makes it a desirable unit when it comes to design and construction. Just to make the bike more compact when folded, it has introduced a dual battery design on this electric bike. As for the bike's frame, you will see an aluminum alloy frame supported by full suspensions used by a typical mountain bike. It also has a 21-speed configuration gear system to grant it strong and reliable climbing ability. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is ECOTRIC Folding Electric Bike. If you want a middle ground between an extremely compact and routine use electric bike, you can check out this folding electric bike. It also offers its users a great riding experience without any remorse. This bike is one more great option that we have chosen for our list of the best folding electric bikes. This is a comparatively compact option than regular electric bikes since it features 20 inches wide wheels instead of the standard 26 inches design. Pair that with the foldable design, you get a highly portable electric bike that you can easily take anywhere you want. This electric bike also does not disappoint when it comes to specifications. It features a highly powerful 500 watts output capacity motor, offering a top driving speed of 20 miles per hour. And with the 12.5Ah battery driving this motor, you can also rely on the 21 miles mileage rating of this electric bike to be achievable on almost all terrain types. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is ANCHEER Folding Electric Bike. It is also bringing a standard-sized electric bike with the added folding option for ease of transportation. It specifically deals with a variety of sports and fitness equipment that are worth checking out. This folding electric bike is yet another popular option available on our list today that offers standard specifications and power ratings. It also has a highly powerful and stable motor driving the 26 inches rear wheel to achieve a top speed of up to 20 miles per hour. And to make the ride even more fun for everyone, it also introduces a versatile 21-speed gear system, offering you a lot of options to choose from for different landscapes. The lithium-ion battery of this folding electric bike is removable and it comes off easily before you can fold the bike to convert it into a storable unit. As for charging, you don't have to worry about that a lot since the battery of this folding electric bike can be fully charged within 4 to 6 hours. Once fully charged, it maintains the performance of the bike for up to 30 miles long. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.